For homeowners in Middleburg, Florida, comfort and cost savings go hand in hand. With Florida's hot, humid climate and long cooling seasons, energy efficiency is more than just a buzzword, it's a necessity. One of the most impactful ways to boost your home's performance is through professional window installation. Beyond simply updating your home's look, new windows play a key role in reducing energy use, improving comfort, and lowering monthly utility bills. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. Old or poorly installed windows often allow air to seep in and out of your home. The issue: cracked seals, warped frames, or gaps around windows lead to drafts that disrupt indoor comfort. The solution: professional installation ensures new windows are properly sealed, eliminating those leaks. The benefit: with tighter seals, your air conditioning system doesn't have to work overtime to maintain a consistent temperature. For Middleburg residents, eliminating drafts is especially valuable in summer, when cool air is at a premium. Improved insulation with modern windows. Today's windows are designed with technology that goes far beyond the old single-pane styles. Double and triple pane glass, multiple layers of glass filled with insulating gases like argon help reduce heat transfer. Low-E coatings. Thin, invisible coatings reflect heat away from your home while still letting in natural light. Durable frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames are built to resist humidity while providing excellent insulation. When installed properly, these features combine to create a strong barrier against Middleburg's outdoor heat. Reducing cooling costs. Energy efficiency directly translates into savings on your monthly energy bills. Why it matters in Middleburg: with long, hot summers, air conditioners run almost constantly. Inefficient windows let that cool air escape, making your system work harder. The impact: energy-efficient windows installed by professionals reduce energy waste, which lowers your utility costs. Long-term savings. While the upfront cost of new windows may seem significant, the ongoing savings often offset the investment over time. In short, energy-efficient windows don't just pay for themselves, they keep paying you back year after year. Better humidity control. Middleburg's humid climate creates another challenge: moisture. Poorly installed windows allow humidity to creep indoors, raising indoor moisture levels and straining your HVAC system. Moisture intrusion leads to mold growth and reduced indoor air quality. Professional sealing. Proper window installation includes weather stripping and caulking that block unwanted moisture. Health benefits. Lower humidity improves indoor comfort and reduces allergy or respiratory issues. By keeping humidity outside, your home feels cooler and healthier. Enhanced comfort and indoor environment. Energy efficiency isn't just about utility bills, it's about how your home feels every day. Even temperatures. Properly installed, efficient windows prevent hot and cold spots near window areas. Noise reduction. Multi-pane windows with professional sealing also block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Natural light without the heat. Low-E glass allows plenty of daylight in without increasing indoor temperatures. These improvements make your home not only more energy efficient but also more enjoyable to live in. Final thoughts. For Middleburg homeowners, professional window installation is an investment that goes far beyond appearance. By eliminating drafts, improving insulation, reducing cooling costs, and controlling humidity, new windows create a more efficient, comfortable, and cost-effective home environment. If your current windows are outdated, drafty, or struggling against Florida's heat, it may be time to consider upgrading. With modern energy-efficient designs and expert installation, you'll enjoy a cooler, quieter, and more efficient Middleburg home for years to come.